VINCENZO'S Go Crypto Investing. Remember to subscribe to the channel, bell notification, and like it, as we're the #1 YouTube and XRP crypto influencer in social media, and we stand for truth and education and information, most importantly, and that's why you all are here. I'm not a financial advisor, but there's a lot of big things going on and a lot of big news you need to be aware of. The SEC and the United States government is on an all-out assault on the cryptocurrency and blockchain space, specifically the crypto sphere, as they're trying to essentially bankrupt Binance. They're going after social media influencers, which I don't disagree with, the charlatans like a BitBoy Crypto and Alex Mazinski and the sort of people like that that are paying for these promoters like a BitBoy. There's multiple other ones that are being sought after by the institutional criminal justice system, as they're trying to really put a death spike into the crypto and blockchain sphere, specifically the crypto sphere right now. We're going to get into some of that later on tonight. The all-out assault on Binance and the all-out hammer being brought down on a specific set of individuals that were major crypto influencers, and the U.S. government is going to go after a few of these people to really send a message and to deliver the hammer down that if you violate and go against and promote tokens and coins to dump onto your audience, they're going to bring the hammer down and they're going to take everything that you own, and that's very important. More important than them going after charlatan influencers that I believe that they are, is they're really trying to knock down and bring down and bankrupt trading platforms. And if they can successfully bring down Binance, they can successfully bring down any and every trading platform that you use, on or offshore, right, that are traded in the United States or around the world, as these central banks and these criminal gangsters that have infiltrated the United States government, the Federal Reserve, and the world banking industry are trying to beat up and get rid of the trading platform, so therefore they can have their monopoly, their own little playground as they see fit. But that's very important that we're going to get into, and that's why you bell notification this channel to get this breaking information that you need. The XRP price currently, this is just going to be a quick rundown, as I was extremely busy at the office today, getting things done, making things happen, getting trailers moved and whatnot. But you can see we're still sitting in the same overall pattern that we were in with XRP. We're trying to decide if we're going to break the 50 or some of these moving averages into the 4-hour time frame and make a run up to 57 cents, or if we're going to break down and come on down to that 42-cent regional local double bottom on a major support level where we bounced off that catastrophic flush that we had a couple of weeks ago. And if we do that, you do know we're going to come down to that 37 cents. But that's all still to be determined, and that's something that we're watching closely. The XLM had a nice little spike the last couple of days, right off of just north of that regional double bottom, off of that 10.5 cents. You bounced up to the 200-day moving average, and now you're getting rejected. And what you want to see now is to hold the 50-day and try to make a run up to this 13.5 cents, or you're going to come back down and actually tap this 10.5 cents. And then that would be a major area that you either get a nice bounce, or you would break below it and end up coming back down to that 7 3/4 cent orange trading zone, aka last line of defense to the shithouse. And that's something that we're watching out for and going to be paying close attention to over the next several days to upcoming weeks, right? If we look at, nobody cares about the DOGECOIN anymore. If we take a look at the Bitcoin price as we continue to move down, the Bitcoin price decides that little fake out to the upside late last week, where the FCC essentially said that Grayscale Bitcoin Trust can not create a spot ETF, but move forward in their application process to try to achieve a spot ETF. And then that was pretty much just a manipulated and orchestrated pump with the news, again, on a smaller scale. And now you can see it completely sold off that, and it's actually below where it was. before that pump, and it suckered in retail traders. But what you got to look out for now, and in this we're going to have to zoom out to the daily time frame. What you're trying to do in Bitcoin is get some support here and make another run at the bottom part of the DP volume indicator in red, and actually get above that 29,394 and 3 cents. Or you're going to come down on your next major leg to the downside, and you're going to come back down to that underneath blue trading zone where you got supported last time for your 2022 low. You're going to come back down and retest that at $19,100.77. We already looked at the XRP, the XDC. We can still see the trading of the sellout, the bleeding pattern taking place. We had a huge initial sell-off here, down to this green trading zone at about 4 cents. We had a beautiful 30% rally over the weekend, holiday weekend. Quickly got rejected, giving it all back. Now that's just an orchestrated, manipulated pump as a mid-ground pump to try to get some more interest in there and sucker some more people, and then it'll quickly fall below its most recent low, most likely near the 200-day moving average at about 4 3/4 cents. And that's what we're looking at. This will give away all of this pump, just like XLM and XRP did. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.